welcome to my live. Welcome to my live video. As you are coming in, don't forget to hit the like button. Hit the like button. And the live is not going to take time. The live is not going to take time. It's just for a few minutes. So let's talk and let's get to know each other. If you have a problem you would like us to help you with, we're glad to help you. Okay, so I'm waiting for you guys. I'm waiting. Let me see if I can share the live, okay? Let's chat up, let's talk, let's chat up, guys. Let's chat up, what's up, guys? Let's chat up, what's up? Where can I will? Where can I share the live? Okay, can I share from here? Thank you for the likes. Thank me, make sure you hit the like button. Let's go. Let's hit the like button. Let's go. All right, let's discuss. Where are you watching from? Number one, do you have any question you need to ask regarding phone repair? Dana, hi. Hello, how are you, Dana? Thank you for joining the live. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button as you are coming in. All right, it's nice to have you on the stream. Kuda Washe Ruwata. Hello, brother. How are you? Thank you for joining the lives. Don't forget to hit that like button, okay? So we need to talk. Let's discuss. Can I connect the charger to this? I don't know if it's gonna get hot. Anyways, let me try. Okay, let's discuss. Any question from you guys? You have a question? Okay, fire on. Let's go. Ask your question. I'm watching from Nigeria. Thank you so much for watching. As you are watching, hit the like button, okay? Dana, let's have your question. Let's go. What's your question? What's your question? Let's go. What is my job? Okay, I'm a technician, cell phone technician. That's what I do. And this is my office. Ayat Siri Sekerparare. I don't understand that. Are you What is your job? Phone technician. That is my job. I repair phones, broken phones. All right. Basically, I do maintenance, phone maintenance. That's what I do. Dana, that's what I do. What do you do? Dana, what do you do? I have a question, Mr. Kuda. What is your question? I am Turkish. Hey, Turkish. Hello, my brother. My Turkish brother. Hope you are okay. Dana, you're welcome. What do you do, Dana? Mr. Kuda, I'm from Nigeria. Mrs. Dana, I'm live from Nigeria. Turkish brother, hello my brother. Don't forget to like everybody, please my brother. I'm waiting for your question, okay? Emmanuel, low team. Guys, if you don't like the video, how am I going to answer your question? Please. Dana, you are in school, okay. How is school going? How is school going? You can eat kebab. What is kebab, my brother? If you guys don't like the video, how can I answer your questions? Emmanuel, low team. Please, my question is, how do you repair or fix ITEL 2160 that shut down after inserting SIM card? After inserting SIM card. Can you please check? Emmanuel, hello to me. You didn't even say hello to me. Just bring question. What's up? You don't even say hello, my brother. You don't even greet me, but you ask question. Cheese over easy. I have Techno 528 and star 82 and delete key is not working. And ITEL 2167 key is not working. I have the same phone today, but the customer cannot afford the price, so I was supposed to make a video on that. Anyway, so Mr. Chizoba, do you know Gerard Miracle? I don't know Gerard, bro. Okay, what you are going to do, okay, Mr. Chizoba, there is always a line at the back of that PCB, okay? At the back of that PCB, there is always a line that goes to the back of that PCB, okay? And from the back of that PCB, there is a line that goes straight to the CPU. So what you are going to do for that 7890 to start working, guys, if you don't like, I'm not going to answer your question. Like this video. It's very cheap to like video, right? It's very cheap. It's not hard. Okay? So you trace the line, because I think one line is controlling all those keypad, okay? So you trace the line to the back of the processor. There is a line that is disconnected. There is an open circuit. Okay, once you trace it to the CPU, if it's got open circuit, you do a jumper from under the CPU. But it will be advisable that you remove that CPU. You check that line properly, okay? It's always at the tip of the CPU. From the tip, a line, you see a line from the back to the tip. So you can make a jumper right there and reball the CPU, place your CPU back, it will start working. But if you are not good with CPU reballing, please don't attempt this. You might end up buying another phone for your customer. Okay, but most times there is a line that is causing the open circuit from the CPU. Remember, the CPU is on keypad phones. The CPU is the only guy that is controlling almost all the activities on the keypad phone. All right, so I hope I have answered your question. Mr. Emmanuel, you're welcome, no problem. Go and sin no more. I have never experienced that type of problem before. If you insert SIM card, it's going to trip off. I've never gotten that type of problem before, okay? So if you have people who have gotten that type of problem before, they can help you out. But I will advise on the way to go about the troubleshooting, okay? So first, make sure the BSI line is well connected to the ground. I don't know if you know what BSI line is. The middle terminal of that battery, okay? Make sure it's connected to the ground, and make sure the battery connector is okay. That's number one. Number two, it could be short circuits, okay? It could be short circuits. So take your multimeter on diode mode, Read all the pins. Read all the pins, please. If you have two pins reading to ground, it can also cause this problem. If you have two pins connecting to ground, it can cause this problem. And if you have schematic diagram, there are components that are attached to the SIM connector. So trace with your multimeter on those components. If they are having shorts, do you understand? Then you'll be able to repair that problem. All right, but sorry, I can't give you a straight answer because I've never encountered that kind of problem before. Okay, ma. Eshe, ma. Okay, electricity is back, and I have a lot of phones. I have a lot of things to do with this electricity. My name is Steven. My name is Steve, or you call me Mojike. Mojike. I am Mojike. Any more questions, guys? I have. Sir, how do I troubleshoot short on Android panel? Very, very easy, my brother. Very easy. But it's not easy because you don't know about it. But please watch all my videos. I made a lot of videos on how to troubleshoot short on Android panel. I made lots of videos. On battery connector, if you have short on battery connector, that means you need to trace the VBAT, the VBAT line. You need to trace the VBAT line. That short is very easy to fix. Trace the VBAT line. There are components along that VBAT line. It might be capacitor, diode, do you understand, even resistors along the VBAT line. So try and troubleshoot with your multimeter. If you don't know how to troubleshoot with your multimeter, I have videos on my YouTube channel that teaches how to learn how to use multimeter. And I also have my online class. I have my online class that will teach you how to do all these things. My student by now, my online student by now, they know all these things. All the same SITA are reading okay. Okay. Like I said, I've not encountered that problem before. Sorry. Mr. Samuel, please, how much can someone get this type of your microscope? That one? Hello, Mr. Peter Rono. Rono, big fan brother. Welcome. Okay. Depending on the area, the country you are, okay? If you are in Nigeria, this type of microscope can cost you 450,000 naira or 400. Can cost you 400 or 450. All right, 1,000 naira. Guys, I have a work to do. I have work to do. I don't know what I'm going to do now. Maybe I should end the live, or I should do the job while on live. I don't know. What are you going to advise me? Advise me, guys. Can I just go offline, or we should stay together and do the jobs? Which one do you say, guys? Yes, your subscriber from number one. You want to say number one subscriber? Any Kenyan in the house? Do video later. Okay, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Someone says I need to make video later. Okay. But you can still be live now to check in. And where can you get it? You can get it in Lagos. Lagos! Lagos. How many people have watched my video? The latest video I dropped. How many people watched that video? How many people watched that video? Do you watch the video? Let me know in the comments. I have part 2 to that video. I have part 2 and it's loading up. Part 2 is loading up. It's very interesting video. I'm still cooking the video. You have not watched the video. Ha! Hey. Please go and watch the video. The part 2 is coming out. If you don't watch part 1, you will not be able to understand part 2. Okay, so go and watch the video, the latest video that I have on my YouTube channel. Please go and watch it. Just check the video. It's a very, very interesting video, and people who don't watch part 2 will not understand. There is important information and I'm dropping on the part 2 video, so make sure you watch part 1 so that you can understand part 2. Okay, it's a very, very interesting video. I'm telling you, you will enjoy it, you will like it. Okay, you know what I'm going to do, guys? Let me move my camera to where I'm going to work. So I'm going to switch the camera. I'm going to the front. I'm going to switch to the front camera. Let me see if I can. Okay. All right. This Bluetooth, let me move this. This Bluetooth came to me and the person said it's not charging. So this is the first time I'm going to be opening this thing. So guys, don't laugh at me, okay? All right. So when I plug in the charger, let me get the charger. I hope this electricity. I hope this NEPA don't take out their electricity. So I have my charger plugged on the charger meter. This is my charger meter. Okay. So you know this Bluetooth headphone has battery inside, so it should have consummation right there. So we are going to watch 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You see it's having 0.0 amps. 0.0 amps. So that means it's not charging. So let's see what's going on inside. Let's see what's going on inside. So guys, hold on. Let me on this thing now. So guys, just give me a minute. Trying to organize everything here. My laptop over there. All right. All righty. Let me plug my iPhone as I'm making live. So I hope you guys can see. I need a fan that will be blowing this iPhone. I don't trust this iPhone. It can get hot anytime. Okay. So let me remove this and plug something, guys. Just give me a minute. I'll do it too shortly. Okay. Any question? Any question? Any question? All right, this Bluetooth speaker is not charging. These are the two bins from it, okay? The two bins. Where is this thing? Okay. Just at my night. Just at my night. All right, let's open this thing up. Let's open this thing up and see what is going on inside. The first time I'm going to open this thing, guys. I hope I don't spoil it. Okay. Oh, this thing has a big battery. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Physical inspection, first thing first, right? I always tell you guys that physical inspection is, why don't you do more laptop repairs? Because I don't get more laptops, brother. I do a video on what I get problem. If I don't get a problem, brother, I can't make video. I'm sorry. So let's disconnect this display connector first. All right. We have a lot of laptop technicians around this side, so if they have difficult problems, they'll bring it to me. So since they don't have difficult problems, I don't make laptop videos. But as soon as I get, I'm going to make videos, don't worry. Okay, these two pins are for charge. Oh, physical inspection, guys. Check this out. Can I zoom this video? Yes, I can. Check this out. Physical inspection is very, very important. Do you see what I'm seeing? You see this IC is what? Is blown up. Physical inspection is always very, 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 very important. Always very important. As you can see right now, baby. This IC is blown up. And the IC number is what? Can't see the IC number. Let me see. NS48. What is that thing blowing up? NS4. I don't have this IC, oh my guy. I don't have this IC. This is a big problem now. Okay, guys. It's a big, big problem. Osh, my God. This is the charging IC. This is the charging IC. And this is the Bluetooth. The charging IC. Physical inspection is always very important. You see how this IC is blown. This IC is very, very blown. So I'm just going to put it back, because you know why? I don't have this IC. I don't have the IC. Let's look to another problem. Let's check another problem. You guys can ask your questions, though. Please ask your questions. Hey, I saw cockroach there. I saw cockroach. I thought I saw a cockroach. Okay, no, it's not a cockroach. Oh my God. Where are the screws? Ah, the charging IC is blown up. The charging IC is blown up. I'm supposed to take that picture and show to that client. The IC, ti Jono IC, ti Jono down. IC Jonah is Jonah. Okay. And also, Mr. Maradi Adi, welcome to the live. Heretic 55 say, also, you've never told us a story about yourself. How did you start? I told my online students my story. So, if you want to know my story, join my online class. Oh, this one is for this side. And this one is for this side. Everybody has a story, right? We'll all have our story, yeah. I got a story. It's another power bank. Another power bank that is not charging. This power bank is not charging. Let's examine the problem and the lot of this. Let's examine it. Physical inspection, first of all. Okay. Any burnt components, any bad body. Everything looks okay here. Okay, so how do we take out this battery? Am I going to desolder? Maybe I should desolder it. Let me desolder it so I can take out, because this battery is very, very hard to open. It's hard. Okay, let's plug a charger. Let's plug a charger first. Let's see the consumption on the on the meter. Let's see the consumption on the meter. Let's see the consumption on the meter. So from here, this is the charger, this orange charger. I'm going to do like this. It's number 2. And there is no consumption. You see, guys, there is no consumption. So what could be the problem? Let's open it and see. Someone is messaging me. Who could that be? All right, guys. So from our charger meter, this power bank is not consuming anything. Could it be the charging port? Let's go ahead and desolder this thing. Flux. First thing first, flux. I want to be doing bypassing. Chat. Bypassing. If you are joining the live, please make sure you like the video. If you don't like the video, I will end this live now. I know these are small jobs. The real ones are on my YouTube, okay? The real ones are... What is happening to this? Why is this smelling like someone already used... Why is it smelling like somebody already used super glue to hold this thing? Why is it smelling like that? I don't know. Hey, God, it's very hard. It's very hard to believe that this thing is smelling like... like someone used super glue to hold it before. That's how you remove the battery from the PCB. And you guys learning? Don't mind me. I know all of you. Most of you, you are professionals in your own way. Where is this talk? Why is it not coming out? Hey, it flew out. Oh, chai. Well, come back, my brother. Okay, let's examine the problem. Okay, guys, it wasn't taking voltage, right? How does this, guys, how does this thing come here? How does this thing come here? This thing right here. How does it come here? Who worked on this thing before? Why is a lead here? Where is a lead here? Let me use my microscope. Let me inspect with the microscope, guys. All the legs are properly soldered. All the legs are properly soldered. But I can see excess leads. The middle terminal of this chip. I mean, in between these chips. This chip. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug in the charger, then I'm going to take reading, voltage reading. That's the next thing I'm going to do right now. Okay, so I'm putting the charger. Okay, putting my charger. So I want to read the voltage coming out from the charging port. So that's the first thing to do. Ah, 4 volts is coming out. 4 volts is coming out. So why is it not charging? Let me check the battery terminals. 0. Ay. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 reading. 0 reading. Is there anything getting hot? Is anything getting hot? Is anything getting hot? Is anything getting hot? Is the power supply? This looks like the charging IC, but I'm not sure, but I think it's the charging IC. Right? So let's check the voltage here. Okay, wait, let me check here. Hello. So to the ground. Anyway. Okay. This is the positive line right here. Sorry guys. If you guys can't see, sorry. So this capacitor is having 4.8 volts. That's good. That's good reading. Okay, that's good reading. What about here? 0 reading there, nothing. Yeah, nothing. So guys, I think the charging IC is gone. It's not eating up though, but let me remove this. Wait, let me check this back side. Welcome to the live. We are just having fun, okay? Don't worry. Okay, let's read for short. Let's read for short. Okay. This is the ground. GND. Diode mode on my what kind of reading is this? It's supposed to be GND. Yeah, this is GND. This short. I found a short, guys. I found the first capacitor I'm going to read. I'm finding a short. I found a short here on this capacitor. I found short on this capacitor. See. You guys can see. Wait. How are you guys going to see now? Okay, wait. Let me lift my microscope up. Okay, it's up. Now, can I switch off the lights? Okay. So guys, I found out there is a short on this capacitor. There's a short on this capacitor. Okay. So let me read it so that you guys will see. Do you see that reading? That is full short. Full short on this capacitor. Full short on this capacitor. You see that? 0.004. That's a full short. That guy that's asking me, how can you remove full short? Come and see. Let me test this one. What am I doing? Red probe on ground, sorry. This one is short too. It's short. 0. You see this one is half short. This is half short right there. But this guy right here is full short. So what are we going to do? We are going to set our discipline. Well done, sir, our tutor. Hey, my oga. Welcome. So this PCB has a full short. So how do we remove this short? Okay. Do you have short killer? Or we should use our DC power supply? Okay, let's use our DC power supply. Let's use our DC power supply. We are going to inject voltage. Okay? That's the next thing to do. How are you, my brother? How is business? How is business? This my brother is asking for how much is my multimeter. Should we use short killer or we should use DC power supply, guys? I'm waiting for your answer. Short killer or DC power supply? This multimeter, I got it for 60,000 naira. 60,000 naira, okay? Do you get the answer? Okay, now this PCB has a short. So how do we detect where the short is exactly is? Because we have two capacitors right here that are shorting. We have two capacitors right here that are shorting. So how do we detect which one is faulty? So we are going to put our DC power supply on 4 volts, 3 amps first. Then we are going to inject voltage. I'm going to inject with this. Let's see where. Oh God, this is a full short. Oh my God, this is a full short. Let's look for the eating IC. Something is eating here. Something is eating up here. Can I increase the amps? Can I increase the amps? Something is eating up here. Let me increase the amps. 4 amps. 4 volts. Let's go. There is heat. I sense heat on this area. I sense heat on this area. So now let me use rosin flux. Let's use rosin flux. Let's spray rosin flux on it. Let's see what's going to happen. Sorry guys. This area is eating up. This here and here. So I'm going to use rosin flux. I'm going to spray rosin flux. Let's see what melts. Hey God, the fan is blowing up this thing now. Wait. Hold it with my hand, then oh my Jesus. This fan is blowing up my rosin. Okay? Alright, one tip for you guys, when you are using rosin flux, you make sure there is no hair blowing it away. Hey God, there's another hair blowing something there. Let me remove this fan here. Okay. The fan is facing that place. Yay! God have mercy. The soda iron is too hot. Let me reduce the heat. If you can't spray the rosin very well, sometimes it's the soldering iron. It's because it's too hot. And let me clean that place very well. Let me clean. This is how to remove shots. Watch and learn. Let me clean here. I'm going to clean that side as well. I'm going to put the rosin again. Don't worry guys, you are going to see, don't worry. So first let me spray the rosin. Oh my God. The rosin doesn't want to spray. The heat is too much, that's why. Rosin, don't disgrace me on my YouTube channel. God, why is this thing doing like this? Problematic rosin. Problematic rosin. This rosin is crazy, guys. It doesn't want to. The fluffer. Oh my God, my roasting is messing my video. The soda iron is too hot, that's why. Now let me reduce the temperature. Let me reduce the temperature. Okay. We need to know which of the components is shorting. Okay. Which of the components? It's like there is something that is blowing up. All right, let's increase the Steve. That's okay. I'm increasing the amps to 4.5. Okay, the voltage still. Are you guys here? My iPhone overheated. Am I still live? Guys, if you are here, let me know, please. Hey, everybody don't run away. Okay, so where are we injecting the voltage on this capacitor, right? I'm actually suspecting this capacitor right here. Let me read with the rosin flux is not melting that thing. The rosin flux is not melting. It's not melting this guy. Let me take reading on my multimeter. Is this guy short? Yeah, it is short. Okay, this guy is short. This guy is short. I'm going to use the rosin flux. I can't see anything melting. Okay, but I'm going to use my thermal camera. I'm going to use thermal camera, guys. Let's use thermal camera. Okay, I'm going to use thermal camera. The heat is not coming out the way I wanted it to come out. So Mr. Rosin Flux, go and sit down. So we are going to be using the thermal camera. Or maybe I should use short killer. Wait. It is coming out, but I don't know exactly which. I don't know the exact component that is eating up. Okay, let's use thermal camera. Let's use thermal camera. This thing wants to mess me up. I lie, you lie. All right. I'm going to use my thermal camera. Okay, so I'm going to inject same voltage. DC power supply. Inject voltage, black on the ground, and the red to touch the heating. Can you go now? Come on, hey, guys. Do you see that? Do you see smoke coming out from this thing? The short is on this IC. The short is on this IC. Let me show you guys. Wait. What can I use to show you? Okay, wait. Okay, let me use this. Let me use this thing. Okay, this thing can also melt. I think the amps is a lot now. Okay. So let me spray it around here. Okay. Now let me switch off this light. Now pay close attention, okay? I don't know if you guys can see. Let me switch it on back. Let me zoom it in. Aha! Now let's go. You see, something is cooking there. Do you see that? This ice is bad. This ice, guys, can you see what I'm seeing? Do you see what I'm seeing? Please type yes if you can see. Or I should try it again. I wish to try it with rosin flux. Serious. Rosin flux will show us exact culprit. Okay. I will try rosin flux again, guys. But the fan that is blowing here will not allow this thing to. So this guy is also. Ay, 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 ay. The rosin on the do sorry, can you wait, let me see if I can spray it without. One minute, guys. I'm trying to spray the roasting without. All right. Let's go now. Okay, because this capacitor is short. Do you see how melting it is? Melting. Do you see that? Do you see that, guys? Do you see the melting? And the smoke is coming out. You see that? That's how to get short. You see that? Smoke coming out from this IC right here. So this IC is the problem, but I don't have the IC. I don't have the IC. So that's the trick. Okay, guys. If you inject voltage and it's still not coming out, if the short is still not coming out after injecting voltage, you have to increase the amps. You have to increase the amps. So this is the amp I used from my DC power supply. Okay, you see, it's on 4.5 amps, 4.2 volts, 4.5 amps. Then the short guy, the shorted components showed up. Are you guys getting me? So that's how to look for shorts. That's how to look for shorts. So this job is over, and this other job too is over. This Bluetooth. All right. So we can solder the power bank back into the chassis. Okay, that's the sound I'm waiting for. So So now we need to solder it back. Okay, we are done with the first side and the second side now. Yeah, we're done. We are done. So the two devices are no fix. The two devices are no fix. All right. Any question? Any question, guys? Any question? I'm gonna end the live now. I'm gonna end the live now. Any question? Do you have any other job that I need to do? I'm just trying to see. It's not that job. I think I'm good. So guys, we are going to end the live because you guys don't have question. So is this a goodbye? I'm already sweating. All right, for everyone that has been watching, thank you so much for watching us. We are going to go live and bring more amazing content later. Okay, but go and watch the latest video I dropped. It's very, very important, and the part 2 is coming out very, very soon. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Type bye. Type bye. 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 I'm waiting. Goodbye, guys. No one is saying goodbye. Oh, you don't want me to live the life. You don't want me to live the life. You want more work, more job. Okay. Since you guys are not saying goodbye, I'm saying my goodbye. Goodbye.